the concert was so good. This is my first time na po. The first concert I was with is in Manila, and now I'm working here in Qatar. It's so lucky that I had a chance again to meet and see TJ and Casey to be together in a concert. And hi to my ate MJ, this one is for you. Nag-enjoy po ako. It's a great day. Kahit mag-isa lang ako, na-enjoy pa rin yung concert. Sana bumalik po sila.
Ay, napakagaling. It's my second time for it was the best na makita si Casey tsaka si TJ. Hindi ako nagsisi. Kinuha ko talaga yung VIP Platinum. Sobrang sulit. Sana babalik sila. Thank you.
Ang ganda po talaga ng concert. It was well directed and grabe ang galing po talaga ni TJ and Casey. It's an unforgettable night talaga.
It's like home po. To have someone, artist from the Philippines, and with all the songs, nakakabuhay ng Pilipinong dugo. It's the best.
It was a great experience. This was my first concert in Qatar, so it's great. Oo ka, ay, masaya! Super saya!
The best po. Nakakakilig po.
Thank you so much, TJ Montero and Casey Tandingan for visiting Qatar. Next time po ulit. Please start to... Thank you po.
Grabe, worth it talaga. Worth it, sir. Thank you po. Worth it.
Itong concert na to ay punong-puno ng hugot and ang ganda ng boses ni TJ. I love you, TJ.
Actually, kaya pala naiyak si Catriona kasi talagang natatamaan ng tagos sa puso. Sobra kasi ako nakarelate. At saka sana all sa mga umiibig, keep the fire burning.
Para kung nanood ng back-to-back concert, dalawa yung nagka-concert. Diba ang ganda?
Super saya. Napaka-astig ng concert na to. Sa lahat ng natin na namin concert, talagang ito na sasabihin kong Super B.
We enjoyed. Maraming salamat and congratulations to TJ and Casey for the success of this Doha Leg concert. Maraming pong salamat and sana maulit muli para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Doha, Qatar.
Maganda, grabe. Kinilig kami ng misis ko at pakita natin si misis. Ayan. Parang nagbalik yung bago pa lang kami mag-asawa.
Amazing. Unang-una thank you very much Al Marabi for bringing Casey Tandingan and of course TJ Montero. At the same time, John Prats. At the same time, maraming salamat Al Marabi Events for bringing them and we hope na very soon magdala na naman ng paboritong artist sa mga Pilipino dito sa Doha, Qatar.
Sobrang overwhelmed yung saya nung concert and yung nag-propose is kaibigan ko po. So congrats mo sa kanila. Sobrang iba talaga. Dinala kami ni TJ sa ibang mundo talaga. So congrats, solid yung concert.
Isa sa most memorable concert here in Qatar.
Masaya. Tsaka malungkot at the same time. Yung performance nila. Galing nila.
Great. Well orchestrated po yung concert. Director John Prats really did a terrific job. And the music was awesome.
Shout out Qatar Living.
Shout out Qatar Living! Hello! Solid.
Nag-enjoy ba? Yes, super.
My experience was umiiyak ko. Tapos hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Maraming yung feeling ko. Then I'm Nepali. I feel the palagi. This is my favorite song. And thank you Al Marib to make my dream come true, and I love you, TJ and Casey. Especially Casey is my favorite. She's amazing.
Speechless ako. Super thank you sa mga pumunta. And super solid yung concert. The best as in. We are really so proud that successful yung concert. And expect naman natin talaga magsimula yung concert. Kasi alam naman natin na come on, TJ and Casey yan. Pilipinas pa lang sold out lagi. So,
Bye, bye, bye,